Hey everybody, I'm going to be reviewing the very famous Yushin Little Magic 3x3. This is the somewhat famous budget cube, which a lot of people talk about. The box is pretty standard. Kevin Hayes, the kind of logo of Yushin and the design of the cube, QR code, patents and warnings. So you get the cube and you also get an instruction manual, which I seem to be struggling to get out. Here we go. It's a pretty basic manual, I think. I actually haven't looked at this, but yeah, of how to solve the cube. It's in Chinese, so if you don't know Chinese, that might make it a bit more difficult, but I'm sure you can probably, if you can't translate it, just go onto YouTube. There's plenty of tutorials there. So the cube itself. Now, mine came with very heavily misplaced stickers, which is really disappointing because I was looking forward to using this cube, and I will still do some turns with it, it's just sad that it didn't come fully centered. Like, this is going over the piece, and that is incredibly bad. It's like Lego. This would be an illegal building technique. So for some turns that I'm doing, I have played around with this cube a little bit. I find slice moves super easy. There we go, a random pattern, looking at the sticker shades. I don't like the red. The red is just not good. I think it's a different red to the Little Magic 2x2. I think color recognition on it will be somewhat difficult, and that's just something that I don't really want to deal with. So this cube comes lubricated out of the factory, and you can definitely feel that there's lubricant in there. If we take a look at the piece design, which I don't usually do, but it's a 3x3, and maybe you care about piece design, so it's a pretty standard piece design, and it comes apart in 3 pieces with the torpedo like so, and you can just put the I don't know which way this goes. You can put it back like so. Pretty easy. And then the corner piece, just like this. It comes in 4 pieces per corner. Nothing else much to say. To say there. The cube is really smooth and it feels somewhat stable. I find myself overshooting a bit. I can do a U2 with 1 flick. Wow. Oh, that was terrible. Nearly a U4. Yeah, that's pretty cool. The stickers, yeah, they're not great. So I think before you get this, you should have like a backup. Like, for example, this green side is fantastic. Like, they're placed pretty well. The center caps, if we take them off, there we go. There's just the what's it called in there, and then here's the actual center cap. Feels a bit what's the word? Cheap, because if you look, you can see, hello, you can see my shadow. If you look, you can see where the plastic was injected. I don't think that's too big of a deal, especially since it's in the center cap. It feels really stable and it can handle my turning. My turning tends to be pretty rough, especially when I'm scrambling, and it feels like it can handle that pretty well, unlike some other cubes. So I'll do a quick solve. This is going to take forever, but as you can see, that's really disappointing here, and the stickers are definitely going to need to be replaced, and I've already got some coming on the way. That sentence didn't make sense, but I'll ignore that and pretend I have perfect English. So, let's see. Keyhole. Yeah, as you can see, I'm very slow at 3x3, but this cube just feels so cool. It feels really light as well, but that also makes it feel a tad cheap. But it kind of does, in a way, feel like the GAN X. I have a friend who I tried the X with, and it feels kind of light as well. But that doesn't really make sense if you think about it. But yeah, this is it's a pretty good cube. I am going to magnetize this and re-sticker it. So I guess I'll have a part 2 when I re-sticker it, and then I can actually give my full thoughts, because I feel like I'm a little bit hindered by the misplaced stickers. I do have some magnets right here, which I am going to put in the cube. They're N50 magnets, so they're relatively strong, and well, hopefully it goes well, because this will be my first time magnetizing a cube, and I think I'll try and record it if I can, just to see where I went wrong when or if something goes wrong. And I mean, this cube is really cheap. I got this from dailypuzzles.com.au, in case you're interested, for $8.50. So, I mean, if it goes wrong, I guess I can just order another one. But, yeah. It's a pretty cool cube. I recommend it if you want an upgrade, or you want a cube to magnetize or something like that. Although I haven't magnetized it yet, so I'll probably have 2 more videos on this cube. One with re-stickering it, and then well, I don't know if you saw there, but I was trying to do a T-perm, and I overshot the U prime, and it ended up being a U2. Like there. So, I think magnets will definitely help there. Do I know this? Oh, well, I think I do. There we go. So, I'll get back to you once I re-sticker it. This feels really fast, and I'll check out corner cutting. Line to line. Oh, a bit more than 45. Whoa, that's an insane amount of corner cutting, although it is getting a bit harder. Oh, finally found the limit. I'll try it on a different side just in case it was a fluke. Whoa. Okay. I mean, you don't need that much corner cutting. Can you go like more than line to line? And then it could pop. Okay, that's fine. Whoa. Okay, this is some really good corner cutting. I haven't adjusted the tensions or anything, so I think out of the box, oops. Whoa, I messed up that algorithm. So out of the box, this comes very good. And I recommend it for beginners, especially because they won't necessarily want to tension it or be able to tension it. So the fact that it comes out of the box, super good. So you can tension it if you're more advanced and you need more specific settings, but for beginners, this is a good cube. Just be warned about the stickers. The stickers can be misplaced, like I got here. So just have a place where you can get stickers just in case. Maybe even get stickers if you don't like this red. Like I really don't like this red. It just looks more like a pink. Or coral. I don't know. I don't like it. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.